Okay, let's start this again and see what happens. We got... okay, okay. I'd also... What happened to my other screen? Why did it shut down? Okay, here we go. Great Uncle Pixel. No, don't copy. There we go. Okay. Hello, hello. Can anybody hear me? More, just as importantly, can I hear myself? Crank this up. Yep, I heard myself. Okay, this time. So I'm probably on the air. There we go, yeah. I can hear myself. I have myself in the background echoing myself. I'm probably on the air. And I'm going to turn that back off so you don't hear me echoing me and me in the past and me in the future and me in the present and living out the final episode of Star Trek The Next Generation. I guess restarting the computer really did help. I guess I should have done that. Unfortunately, it messed up my color profile again. I had all the reds fixed. I actually started a game of Breath of Fire this morning and then played with the video settings until the screen froze, and you know that fixed my color. And restarting the computer messed up the color again. Maybe fixing my color somehow messed with the video stream. I don't know. Hang on a second. Whoa, too loud. Too loud, Clanky. I can hear so much now. Let me just crank this up too for a second. Huh. Yeah, okay. I can hear myself on YouTube too, so I can hear me and on Twitch, I can hear me on YouTube, I can hear me from my own mouth. So those are the three good things. Right. Right. I was running the game just to make sure the active player code had not failed when I rewrote it. I changed the integer to a string because it turns out I was just using that string or using that integer as a string anyway. Ah, I have this turned up too loud. Scared the crap out of myself. All those sound effects. That ding, by the way, is the sound that means that you is the sound of the shot resetting, the cooldown ending, letting you know you can use your shot again. for... I like those sound effects. Yeah, anyway. It looks like it's working. Oh, I forgot to actually turn on... giant eyeballs. Forgot to actually turn up the screen there to make sure you could see what I was doing. It's okay. The important part was it didn't crash. The important part is it didn't crash. Important part is it did not crash. The important part did not crash right there, which is good because crashing is bad. Why is that muted? That shouldn't be muted. That's weird. My desktop audio muted itself? Maybe I had it. I don't think I had it muted. Ooh, like that. I bet that sounded funny. Let's see if I can catch. What are you doing? Missed it. Darn it. Oh well. Weird. Everything's weird. Stop. Okay. Now, what I was doing... Okay, what I was doing... Okay. Where's movement? There's movement. Okay. Function process. Okay. Not selected in chess mode equals movement. Okay. Function process input. This is it. Okay. Where's up, left, down, right? Okay, that's fine. ULDR. Here we go. Input. It needs to ignore input. Okay. Okay. In fact, it doesn't need this at all. Okay, I need to construct. Do I have process input? Here's process. Okay, where's process input? There we go. If chess mode equals movement, work that way, will it? Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Let me go back up here. You know what? I don't need that. Because I can't do it that way anyway. There we go. CPU 1 and CPU 2. That's fine. That's good. Better that way. Just CPU 1, CPU 2. We go to movement. Let's go back to movement. Chess mode equals movement. And active player equals 1 and CPU 1 and not CP chess CPU 1. Let me check that variable. I gave it a nice simple name, CPU 1, but that doesn't mean I remember it. There we go. Should this be an and or an or? Yeah. Okay. I think or. Yes, or. Because it'll never, this and this will never be true at the same time anyway. I don't want. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I don't want the process input unless, yeah. That. What are you doing? I think that's what I want. I think that'll work. Oh, this shouldn't be here. Whoa, excuse me. Dinner wants to come up, I guess. Or lunch. It's too early for dinner. Actually, no. Let's put that here. That way, if it's not in movement mode, it won't hit these lines. It doesn't need to hit these lines. Doesn't need those lines if it's not in movement mode. I don't need add chest mode equals movement here because it's in the super. Selected. Yeah. I don't think I need this. Pretty sure I don't need that at all. I'm pretty sure I don't need that because I'm pretty sure Chess Plus does that up here. Yes. But I'm gonna hit play, make sure I didn't mess too much up there. Oop, okay, there it is. Okay, looks good. S. Checkmate. Fairy chess. Start game. Mm-hmm. Oh. I see an issue with the code I just removed. Okay. Um, okay, I see a problem here. Um, okay. If mode equals battle, check movement. Come on, let's see here. Hide pieces, yes. Because this should handle it. Visible false, press S, visible false. Movement. There we go. That's the problem. Selected sprite should also be. This should work. Yeah, that should be. That should work by itself. that. That should work. Let me see if it works. Make sure I didn't mess anything up there. It's a quick little test. Okay. Okay. Looks like it works. Okay. Looks like I didn't mess too much up. Noisy out there. Can you hear that? Oh. I guess you can't hear it, even when I crank the mic sensitivity up even further. That's good. That's good. It means I'm getting some kind of noise reduction, something going here. Battle. Let's set shot body 2 invisible as well. You should be invisible. They get set visible when they shoot. But it should start out invisible. Good, good. Because I saw that error in there. I could probably simplify this too. I'd make the dictionaries a little more straightforward. Not straightforward, a little more plug and play. Okay. Oh, right. This is, yeah. Yeah. Wait, what's this? That's not right. No, it was right, because that's not, the variables in the movement script. Right. The variables in the movement script. The variables not in the selected sprite. That is correct. Okay. Okay. So, let me. Ugh. This is the important thing here. This is the setup that I'm trying to figure out. Ugh. Oh, hang on a second. She a person to ban? Okay. Their message didn't get through, but I'm banning them anyway for advertising AI viewers. I don't need AI viewers. Huh. What's shield mode? Well, play with that later. Ooh, let me close that for now. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Everything's double clicking. Okay. Okay. Huh. Um, Working on it. What is this stuff? What is CapCut? I don't need CapCut. Not right now. Yeesh. Okay. Okie dokie, I am doing a good program. Programming is having the fun. Do you know why the programming is fun? Because I love to count things. Mwah ha 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 ha. Great, Uncle Pixel, you are a weirdo. Why do you make with the weirdo-ness? Cool. Okay. Okay. Mm. Do I even use these variables? I do not. I don't think I need these. Well, let's try getting rid of them and seeing what happens. Boop. Looks like nothing happened. Looks like it's all fine. Oh, this is Chess Plus. Okay, good. Anyway, CPU 1. Let's go over to movement. This is,
Coder Inkling said, "Hey Heath."
Hey! Welcome, Coder. Welcome, Coder Inkling. Can you hear me? Please say you can hear me. Bluebird underscore songbird said that she couldn't hear me, and then when I restarted the computer, she went silent. So I don't know if she can hear me now. To all tests, I am broadcasting properly, including, like listening to my own stream and hearing my melodious voice. La 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 la. I forgot what I was doing. Right, I forgot what I was doing. Right, so what I was doing here. What is an else? Let's go all the way to the bottom. Doesn't need a pass here. Okay. Method for deciding. Method for the CPU to decide which piece to move and to where. Ugh. I'm not entirely sure how to do this, admittedly. So I'm gonna brute force it a little bit.
Great Uncle Pixel
said,
Let me
Hey,
put a message
can you
there.
hear me? Is my voice coming through loud and clear? At Coder Inkling
Okay.
said, wait.
Did you say wait? Hang on. Wait. You did say wait. You said it over on the other side.
At Coder Inkling said, did I just get recommended UY2 randomly? Also slow chat is kinda weird.
Me.
Said, I guess so.
That's pretty funny that you got recommended my YouTube
Coder
channel.
Inkling said, back to Twitch IG.
Well, now you can watch me in stereo. Oh.
Coder Inkling
That's
said,
weird. That's
way I better asterisk 3.
that is odd. That is very odd. It's been kind of an odd show so far. Apparently my voice was not coming through, even though it seemed to be everything seemed to be working on my end. And yeah, it's still working on my end. I, I assume you can hear me? I'm just assuming everyone can hear me at this point.
Bluebird underscore songster said, working for me now.
Okay. Oh, good. Good, good, good. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I just wound up restarting the whole computer, and that,
Bluebird underscore songster said, don't make an ass out of yourself and the medical examiner.
that darn medical examiner. Okay, I have to be careful. Not to fall asleep. Ooh, I have soda. I smartly got myself a soda or two. I got myself 2 sodas. Okay. So I want to get an array of all pieces, narrow it down to just the pieces of the currently active CU player. If checkmate mode, first check to see whether any of those pieces are placed to attack the king. I think it's going to be a pretty dumb CPU, at least at first. If I can get CPU picking stuff, I can refine it later. Yeah, because I'm trying to decide how the How? 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 You know what? I'll worry about the battle, how the CPU acts in battle when I come to that. Yeah. Not. Yeah, I think I'm just going to choose a piece to move randomly. Not going to have a real great strategy, at least at first. Yeah. Okay. Ah. We do kind of want to take a nap. That's not good. That's shouldn't be taking a nap. Okay. Check some stuff. Work clock already. Well, yeah, I did have technical difficulties for the first. For the first. For the first. Half hour. So. Now I've gotten Billy Joel stuck in my head. For the longest time. Whoa. For the longest. Yeah. Yeah. Like that. I'm not feeling very high energy today, I'm afraid. This is. I'm not feeling very Coco Beware and Owen Hart today. Just feeling relaxed. Relaxed. Just want to rest my eyes. You know, to rest my eyes. Drift away. I bet you can't hear me now, 'cause I'm drifting away. Okay, this is actually way too comfortable. I really could fall asleep like this. That's not good. It's not good when I'm on the air. All my loyal listeners are banking on me. They're rooting for me to code and finish code and do a code. And I can't fall asleep in the middle of a stream? That's ridiculous. Okay, it was a mistake to actually close my eyes for this bit. I'm getting too into the bit. Okay, I'm gonna straighten up, fly right. Here we go. I straightened up. I'm no longer leaning back on the couch, sitting straight up. I just remembered an email I got earlier today from a company I applied to. I applied to Stream Games. And they rejected me, of course. Uh, when I asked them why, they inflicted AI on me. They said, "Hello, I am an AI agent here to tell you why you weren't selected for our position. Unfortunately, I cannot tell you why you were not selected for our position. Thank you for applying." Thanks, Melvin. Yeah, it was actually called Melvin. So, feeling a little tired, feeling a little grumpy. Feeling less full of cement, though. That's good. So that's a very different kind of tired.
Bluebird underscore songster said, gotta make your own agent to reply to those things. Bluebird underscore songster said, fire vs fire.
Hello, I am Uncle, the AI, Great Uncle Pixel's AI agent. I'll come up with something for Uncle to stand for later. It'll be the urgent. Uh, Neuroplasty, chirpy, uh, legume exerciser. Yeah, that makes sense. Something like that. What am I doing here? Right, I'm trying to figure out this. Checkmate mode. Check all their legal moves and see if any of those match the opposing king square. If not, check all their legal moves and see if they're in a position to attack anyone. If so, attack. If not, then
Bluebird underscore songster said, saw this thing where a girl challenged herself to get 1,000 rejections in a year, wound up getting a bunch of opportunities and such out of the project.
I saw that too. I saw something about that. Was that on Tumblr? I don't remember where I saw it. You know, as a grown up adult type person, I would never ever read Tumblr or any online social media. I only go to websites about video games. You know, for grown ups. What am I even talking about? But yeah, I saw that. Definitely considered sending out 1,000 resumes. Another
said,
1,000 resumes.
saw it on Substack.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, I'm not sure where I saw it then. Could have been a couple of different places I might have seen it. Ah,
Bluebird underscore songster said. Should keep a tracker. Then at least you feel like you're making number go up.
I used to let the websites track it for me, but there it is. Let's see if they. Oh, there it is. Huh. Seven, eight, nine, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh. 2,706 jobs applied for on LinkedIn. Just on LinkedIn, not on everything. That's amusing.
Bluebird underscore songster said. Over how long?
Well, that's over the span of 10 years, so not 1 year. Okay. Yeah, that's over the span of 10 years, so that's not quite the same. Simple. Simple. Okay. Uh, First of all, if chess. Okay. There, array. My pieces.
Bluebird underscore songster said. Yeah, you're averaging only 100-ish rejections per year. You can do better than that.
Yeah. Well, again, that's just LinkedIn, not everything. But, okay. What am I doing? Right. 4. I in 8. For J in 8. If this should be move. This should be the movement script, right? Yeah, this is the movement script. If that's it, piece at location. If chess piece at location I J piece at location. That's vector 2I. Okay. vector 2i, I, j. Hang on. If chess peaks at location equals crap, chess active player equals chess active player. There we go. I am correct. I did a thing. Those numbers are correct. Then append my pieces. Append. Is that how that works? Print. Pieces. Okay. Decide. Input. Okay. 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 I don't actually need to start the game. I don't actually need to show the game. I need to hit B. Oop. There we go. That's correct. So yeah, I'm not actually trying to show the game. I'm showing this stuff down here. That's what I'm focusing on. Hit B. Okay. If chess Ab. It's just a test line. Just work. Okay. Okay. Playing with the numbers down there. All right. Okay. And now I hit B. Here we go. Get ready. I hit B. There we go. Perfect.
Bluebird_songster.
And then I hit B again.
Said. Goated has text anxiety.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Bluebird_songster. Said.
Okay, good.
Chess.
It's just printing the ones. Okay. So I set it to player 1, and I hit B, and it's just showing the player 1s. I set the player 2, I hit B, and it's just showing the player 2s. Oops. Yeah. Good. Good. Okay. Okay, that's good. That is very good. Okay. Four pieces in my pieces. Print uh, pieces. Just wanted to print it again. Make sure everything's looking good down here. Yeah, yeah. That's the right. Yes. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Good, 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 good. Ooh, what's that? Right, where's Amazon? Whoops. Okay. Oop, I hear a voice. I hear a voice. Okay, got a bit of a mess here. Okay, let's zoom it to the bottom. Actually, let's clear this so I can hit it again. Okay. That is good. That's good. That's good. Okay, there's a full list. I want movement. Okay, that's good. That's good. Or moves in pieces. Legal moves. There, selected, false. No, I don't want selected. There, chosen, false. Bool equals false. Yeah, I already have selected. So, chosen bool equals false. In pieces legal moves. Okay. Probably gonna need to if moves no. If piece, if chess, piece at location not equal to null. If. Yeah, I want nested if statements rather than a if then or statement, rather than a compound if statement. Ugh. Okay. I'm thinking. I'm just assembling the code in my mind. Oh no, I'm yawning. Ah, oof, ah, oh no. Oh man, it's in there for Monday. Man, it's so Monday today that I can't believe it's not Monday. Stop the program. It's not showing on there anyway. So, if chess piece at location hyperactive null garg. I forgot what I was doing right in the middle of this loop. Ah. If. I think I want, whoop, chess piece at location like that. If chess piece, oh no, if chess moves is not equal to null. I think moves is a vector 2i. If chess piece at location moves not equal to null.
Duke smiled.
If.
Said.
Ooh.
Good day to you, sir.
Good day. Good morning. Well, good afternoon here. Almost good evening. Good to see you. Huh. It's just relaxing. How are you doing?
3-week PC hiatus.
Oh, 3 week? I don't think it's been that long since the last time I saw you.
A brain cleanse?
Huh. Has it really been 3 weeks?
Duke smiled.
Doesn't sound right.
Said. And came back right to see dirt bikes and naked drunk people on the White House lawn.
Yeah, it's certainly a time. We certainly live in an era. That's why I'm mostly focusing on chess and video games. And
said,
video games about chess.
Happy 250th.
Yeah, I vaguely remember
Duke
the
smiled,
200th.
said, If you've seen the Idiocracy movie, then you know why I did recommend watching it. Laughing face.
Yeah, we watched it, and yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Duke smiled, said, It is becoming reality.
Fun.
Duke smiled, said,
What am I doing
Never
here?
seen such shit in my life.
What am I checking here?
Duke smiled, said, So how is your chess game progressing? Bluebird underscore songster.
Chess game's
said,
going pretty well.
Big
It
baby
is.
birthday brawl.
Let me just stick a pass in there. It is. The chess game is. Surprisingly,
Duke smiled,
feature complete.
said, Did the object-based approach help tidying the code?
Oh, yes, it did. I also redrew the chessboard and the Berolina pawns. And so instead of upside down pawns, they're supposed to be double headed pawns. Which kind of gives them a little mini bishop look to them. Which is appropriate because they move diagonally.
Said, Yet I can tell. Duke smiled, said, What was the issue with your colors?
I don't know. The colors are still not working. They're still just weird. I still see. Oh, that's the king. Yeah, my reds are still washed out unless I play Breath of Fire first. But yeah,
Duke smiled,
both players are working.
said, Super specific bug still.
Yeah, very super specific. But yeah, the game is effectively feature complete. At least the two-player version. The two-player couch co-op version is fully functional. I simplified the battle system so that both sides are using the same script. Right now, I'm working on putting in a rudimentary AI so that either player can fight a CPU player, and very very rudimentary AI, I believe.
Duke smiled, said, There are some open source chess models IIRC.
Yeah, I don't want it to be too smart. It doesn't have to be too
Smile.
smart because it's
Said. Which you
like,
could implement, would need adjustment for custom pieces though.
yeah, that's true. I could just grab a chess AI, at least study a chess AI. It doesn't have to be the smartest chess AI. At least not, especially not at first. I just want to get it uh, doing anything. So right now I'm just working on a little bit of brute forcey.
Said. No one wants to play Deep Blue anyway. Duke smile. Said. At Bluebird_songster what I was thinking of, laughing face.
It'll be funny to make it deep blue on the actual chessboard, and then the battle starts, and it's like, what am I? Where? What's happening? Ah! And then gets slaughtered. Keeps making picture perfect chessboard moves that would win a normal chess game, and then keeps losing in battle, so it loses all its pieces anyway. That would be funny. That
Duke smile. Said. BTW, have you had a chance to try my alpha? Bluebird_songster.
No, I haven't.
Said. It was a typo. This is actually Derp Blue. Duke smile. Said. I had fixed it briefly before my hiatus.
No, I haven't had a chance to play that. What was the URL again? I'm pretty sure I bookmarked it, but
Duke smile. Said. Was these one https://boonstyle.itch.io/autobattler. Duke smile. Said. Haven't uploaded the current version, that is a big jump from the last one yet, having vertigo today.
oh, right, it's a download. Right. Is that why I haven't done it? I thought maybe I did download it and then forgot. Yeah, I guess I did download it. I see win 1 for the Gipper. Ha ha ha.
Duke smile. Said. Doesn't work in browser due to custom physics engine. Duke smile. Said. And browser is too slow when it gets crowded.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Well, let's see if it crashes my computer. I don't see why it would, but yeah, run anyway. You stupid machine.
Said. Nah, I tested it on both Linux and Windows. Duke smile. Said. Shoot and crash.
There it goes. There it goes. Okay. Okay, that's the wrong. Let's take a look at this. There we go. Seems to be. Can't seem to move it to toggle. Okay, there's window. Let's do window mode. Turn down the effects a little bit. Turn up the sound effects. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Dramatic. I like that music. Profile. Username. Gup.
Duke smile. Said. It's low by default. I hate games blasting ears at start.
Ah, makes sense. Well, looks like only online matches. Life goal.
Bluebird underscore songster. Said. UI looks cool. You should post some gifs of it in action on your itch page.
Yeah, that
Duke
does look
smile.
cool. It's pretty cool
Said.
music too.
If you go find match, I got one OPEB.
Hmm. Ah. There we go.
Duke smile. Said. It's WASD for camera.
I'm testing the chat. Okay, that's chat.
Duke smile.
How do I start a,
You place units from the right side.
Ah, okay, I'm on the right side.
Duke smile. Said. Can unlock via tech. Duke smile. Said. R is rotate.
Doesn't seem to, can't seem to drop them in here. Am I doing something wrong?
Duke smile. Said. You place on unoccupied tiles. Duke smile.
Ah, okay.
Said. The crystal is occupying those spaces.
Okay, I thought it was an arrow saying that, that's not a great collection of pieces, but I don't care.
Duke smile. Said. Tech
Bonk,
button
bonk.
opens unit unlocks.
Uh-huh. Nice. Ooh, I'm winning just by dint of sheer numbers.
Duke smile.
Go, get him!
Said. Still rudimentary.
Oh no, I'm killing the crystal!
Duke smile. Said. It's later mix and match units / tech them, upgrade them choosing abilities and so on.
Singer. Oh, I see. Research.
Duke smiled.
Sure. Search this guy and
Icons have tooltips since I don't have a tutorial yet.
oh, got 0 books left. So let's see. Oh, interesting. My frontline fighters are not in front. Oh, and a whole group of them just slipped right past me. Oh, but a whole group of me slipped right past them, so we'll see. Yep, they're beating up my, Oh, okay.
Duke smiled. Said. The detection/aggro ranges aren't fine-tuned or anything.
Yeah.
Duke smiled. Said.
Looks like it's not
right now
moving.
it's testing systems.
Yeah. I'm winning! I don't know if I'm winning. Ah, okay, yeah, they ran right past the crystal and then ran right back to the crystal. That's pretty funny.
_Jamal28 said. What game are you developing? Duke smiled.
Well, this one isn't mine. This is Duke Smile there.
TWXD.
This one is by Duke Smile here.
Duke smiled. Said. It's a fallback for now to prevent draws with units running endlessly.
They're beating up my pieces. They're beating up my pieces.
Still a lot of work to do, but the bones are slowly coming out. Duke smiled. Said. Next iteration has level UPS for units. Duke smiled. Said. You can also move spawner, 1 per round. Duke smiled. Said. Sell them and upgrade them.
Aha.
Duke smiled. Said. So if you unlock a higher tier you can upgrade old units.
Oh, and I have 6, Oh man, they just blew right past me, didn't they?
Duke smile. Said. Idea is quality quantity, to lead players to use less units saving performance XD.
There. What's this down here? Top 10, 8, 3, 3. Let's see here. 22, 24, 18, 110. Oh, interesting. Friar. Soldier. $65, 25, 60, 82, 45, 82. Next time. Movement speed, attack range. Ah, okay. Can I jump right to tier 5? I guess not. Wait, I guess I can.
Duke smile. Said. You always see the Prec Euros unit. Duke smile. Said. Yet. Duke smile. Said. You can also upgrade slingers to archer now.
Ah, that makes sense. I don't have any slingers. I think I do. Is that a slinger? Oh yes, I see level. Not sure whether I'm winning or not. That's hard to tell. They leave a lot of dead bodies on the floor, don't they?
Said. BTW, you don't need to finish the round. Takes a while due to default settings.
That's okay. I like watching them fight.
Duke smile. Said. But I hope you get the idea of the game and it is somewhat fun. Laughing face.
Yeah, it is.
Smile.
It is kind of fun. How do I get out of here?
Said. Alpha though.
Ah. Yeah. How do I quit the game? I bet I can do that. There we go.
Duke smile.
There we go, and there we go. Oh, escape. Makes sense.
Said.
Oh, so it can
Alt
never
plus
be quit.
F4. Duke
Good,
smile.
good old Alt F4.
Said. Escape is bugged. Duke smile. Said. XD.
Looks like it's Escape X F4 looks pretty bugged. Oh, okay, there it goes. Anyway, that looks like fun. I have to say.
Duke smile. Said.
Sometimes I like an auto
This
battler.
particular version is not having a pause menu.
Always kind of like auto battlers. Like, big fan of, for example, Ogre Battle and Unicorn Overlord. Those are very different types of auto battlers. Sometimes I just like sitting back and
Duke smile.
watching the computer fight
Said.
itself.
Networking and physics was a pain though.
I can imagine. I'm thinking of making this an online game, an online chess game, and whew,
Said.
that's that's not uh
Duke smile.
yeah.
Said. Hope you did not have any performance issues.
No, I didn't. It's running fine. And this is about a mid-tier computer. It's new. It's pretty new, but it's not top of the line model. So, but it still ran fine. So yeah, no performance issues. It is like a million times better than my previous computer, though I still like my previous computer.
Duke smile. Said. Should run on anything i3 10th gen or Ryzen 3600 and upwards.
Mm. My other computer is a potato chip, and my previous good computer is a Mac, so it won't run on that without fiddling with wine. And my other Windows computer is running on a potato chip with like a 50 gig hard drive and tiny, tiny game. Tiny
Duke
hard
smile.
drive.
Said. Can get messy when a game actual reacts hundreds of units. Duke smile. Said. 50 gig HDD sounds fun.
Oh yeah,
Duke smile. Said. Like 2005 fun.
yeah, yeah. It's not that great, but you know, I got it as a present, so I'm not going to complain about it. I use it to watch videos when I'm laying down, ready for sleep, at night, sleeping, sleeping. Sleep. Well, that's not a good
Duke
command.
smile. Said. Sleeping sounds nice.
I'll do it later. I'll sleep
Duke
later.
smile. Said.
Whew.
Doing a little Donnie. Duke smile. Said. 30-minute nap.
Should have done that earlier. Cause woo, feeling a little yeah. I'm feeling better than I was right before I started. Like I was saying, lunch had just settled badly, and I felt like I'd eaten a bag of cement. Don't feel that way anymore, which is good. Which is good. Hmm. What was I trying to do? I was trying to figure out how. Right, I was just doing a quick and dirty selection routine, AI CPU selection routine, where it would prioritize attacking enemy pieces. It would prioritize attacking the king if. Okay, if chess win condition equals uh, equals checkmate. Yeah, it's actually kind of nice to play that auto battler for a minute. Give the
Duke
brain a
smiled.
rest.
Said. At Bluebird_Songster, yet I am a super zero when it comes to design, especially since I don't know how itch.io works in the first place, laughing face.
Don't know how. Oh, itch.io. Where? Oh, excuse me. You know, right now my page for Chess Plus is pretty simple, but I don't have much to show. I might stick a video up there of me playing it, but it's still a two-player game right now, and with keyboard co-op, it's hard to play with another person even. Though did, it should work with a keyboard. It should work with a controller now, theoretically. Theoretically, it should work with a controller.
Said. Yeah, Hot Seat has its ups and downs.
Oh man, I am feeling dizzy. That's no good. That's no good. That's no good. Huh. Okay. Uh. I'm just feeling a little out of it.
Duke smile. Said.
Feel a little out of
BTW,
it
why
today.
don't you use enums instead of string for your win condition and so on?
Because I always forget about enums.
Duke smile. Said. That's a fair reason.
I always forget they exist. Always forget they exist. That would be a good, well, huh. Huh.
Duke's smile.
Hmm.
Said. Are you torn between coding and sleeping? Duke's smile.
I'm torn between
Said.
leaving it as it is and
You sound
rewriting
tired of
everything
anything.
as a rewriting everything as an enumerated type. I've decided I don't want to do everything as an enumerated type right now. If I might do it, but not right now. Because yeah, it does feel a little sloppy to
smile.
use strings, but at the
Said.
same time,
Nah, at this point, leave it.
yeah, that's what I thought. It
Duke's
would
smile.
require messing with too
Said.
much.
Next project, keep it in mind.
Yeah, there's definitely things I still want to improve on this one. Like this AI thing is pretty crappy right now, and I don't think I might just replace it with a stolen, I mean borrowed chess routine for picking a piece. Right now, it's not even picking a piece. I need to go back up here and do and check what I'm doing. Ooh, because this shouldn't return void. This should return piece. Chosen piece. There. Okay. 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 Piece equals no. Oops. Return chosen piece. There we go. If moves dot if yeah, this is just gonna be kind of stupid right now because I'm feeling kind of stupid. Dot piece name king, then uh chosen piece equals piece. Return this is return chosen piece. Yeah. Chosen piece. It's okay. Uh, uh, okay. Okay, chosen piece. Hang on a second. Let's see here if I can return this as a. If what I can return is a piece.
Duke's smile. Said. Gonna be lurking. My daughter seeks attention.
Fair enough. Have fun. I mean, kids can be fun. Okay. I want to return both these values. That's the problem. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it shouldn't. Yeah, I shouldn't need move piece at all. Shouldn't reference move piece. I don't want to do it that way. I want it, if when the computer's controlling the piece, I want it to just jump to the piece. I want to jump the piece to the new location without any of the fanciness. I'm probably going to put in a visual effect, but I want to make sure it get. I want to first make sure it picks the piece and moves it to the new location. Okay, yeah, move piece. Yeah, promote piece. Okay, in order I want chess mean equals positions. Okay, this should be in, and okay, I don't want to actually return this. I want to do the moving here. It shouldn't return anything. Choose piece. Chosen piece equals pieces. Chosen destination equals moves. To destination pieces moves. And let me see here. There's capture piece. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Oof. Jeez. I'm feeling a little slow today. Feeling a little slow and out of it. I'm gonna call it night, my usual time, rather than stretching this out. Even though, what are you doing? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, right now the program still works because this doesn't, because this never gets called. So it doesn't matter if this is not functioning, it doesn't get called. The variable that looks up whether either player is in CPU mode right now never gets called. And this should work for both players in CPU mode, which is why I'm kind of dancing around things here. Excuse me. Mm. 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 Do 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 do. Don't know what I'm doing. Put that enums page. Hmm.
Duke smiled.
Okay,
Said,
I gotta get out of this coma. Jeez. Welcome back. I haven't done much since you left. I've just been staring at this program trying to figure out exactly what I want. Uh,
Duke smiled. Said, 10 minutes of cuddling. Duke smiled. Said, batteries recharged.
I'll do it. Okay, function. Declare the function and then not use it until I figure out what I'm doing with it. Good. Yes. Active player equals not chess active player. Elif. Let's simplify this. Oops. Actually, no, I don't want break. I want return. Thing should end right there. That's the piece it should select. You can only select one piece. Elif location dot. Okay. Oops. Access or Empress.
Duke smiled. said.
Huh, I don't like this because
Why
it's just
don't you use
repeating
match
this.
instead of Elif?
I don't want to use match. No, I guess it's the same in the end. I guess it's the same in the end because I want it to have a hierarchy. I want this to be the top priority, and if not, then this, and if not, then this. But I think match will do that. Since there's two for each. What bugs me more than that is that these are the same 4 lines over and over again, or the same 5 lines over and over again. It's just sending a different piece in.
Duke smiled. Said. Put them into a helper.
Yeah.
Duke smiled. Said. That takes the piece. Duke smiled. Said. Call the helper with the piece.
If location is not equal to no. Okay. Yeah, this should be a method in and of itself because it's just the same 5 lines repeated. But one of those lines itself calls a function. Um, it doesn't actually need this, does it? Doesn't need these at all. Just hold on. A little simpler. Doesn't need that at all if I put the check for the actual attack in move to destination rather than putting it here. Doesn't need to be here. Yeah. Heck, I can put this in there too. This will only select legal moves. Move to destination. Piece, destination. Move piece to destination square. If square is occupied by enemy piece, then start battle. Either way, active player equals not active player Woo! Bishop. Or location. Peace. Name. Night. Oh. On Berlina. Whoops. Okay. That's the hierarchy. First, it should attack the king and the check to see if it's a king in checkmate mode. Location is not equal to no. See, the problem is, no, no. This is wrong. This is wrong. Where are they? Where are those variables? What were those variables that I had removed from here? What am I doing? Vector 2i. This is where it'd be nice as an enum. Because each level should make sure, should only update best piece and best destination. Best piece equals pieces. Best destination moves. Yes, I know. Actually, no, this should go here. Let's put that there. That should do that immediately. And no return. Okay, this doesn't need anything. Okay. crappy bubble sort almost, but if best piece not equal to queen and best piece not equal Amazon. Yeah, okay. What is this? Why is this? Sorry, best piece dot piece name. And Queen Amazon. Whoops. That's not what I wanted. Best piece, piece to queen, best piece. Okay, hang on, let's undo this. Okay. Do I have a double and here? Oh no, I've got a double if. Here we go. There we go. Okay. Else. Pass. Okay. If. Whew. I need a nap. Don't think this does anything yet? Hang
Duke
on.
smile. Said,
Pretty sure this doesn't
I
do
feel
anything
you.
yet. I think I might finish this on Wednesday, because right now I'm feeling, not feeling. Let's see here. Did I remove I? No, decide input. Okay. Is this decide input? Yeah, okay. Debug. Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. L if best piece equals no best piece equals pieces best destination equals moves. There. Mhm. Okay. Let's just take a look. Whew, okay, I'm just trying to get this. Rook 1A. Okay. That's fine. Um, E31. If, hang on, hang on. Okay. and location dot ownership equals chess active player. No, not equal to chess active player. That's the important thing. It should only show me things I can attack. This list should only show me pieces that I can attack. And it looks like where's this? Where's best piece? Okay, 331. No, this shouldn't be in here. It should be all the way out here. Second, yeah, okay. Okay. Whoops. Whoops. That does belong there. This does not belong there. Wait, no, it shouldn't. I don't need to go all the way up. It needs to be part of this. Side input. There we go. In fact, I don't need this. Okay. Oof. Not feeling very smart right now, I'm afraid. Kind of brute forcing this. Sometimes brute force works. Sometimes I like. Sometimes the best way is to just make the guy's hat an entire train. As I've said before. Yeah, this is not working. Yet. But the important part is I can see a path. The important part is I can see a path from where I am to Uh,
Duke smile.
I was saying
Said,
words and I totally
"You'll
forgot
get
what I was
there,
saying.
laughing face."
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Like, I could see the path ahead of me. When I started this, I couldn't quite see the path. So I had to dig the path. So I've dug the path. Now I've got to lay down the cobblestones. Because I'm feeling groovy. That is not how that song goes. But yeah, I couldn't see. I see where I'm going with this. It's not a perfect path. That's why it's cobblestones and not space age space age gleaming metal
Duke
and
smile.
steel. But
Said, "Losing your train of thought, laughing face."
yeah, it's kind of one reason why I want to stop, because my train of thought keeps derailing, and I just kind of want to close my eyes for a while and sit back and lean back on the couch. At the same time, I don't want to exactly stop before I.
Duke smile. Said, "Close your eyes or watch some trash TV like Kardashians or 250th anniversary."
Oh no, that'll. I mean, yeah, that won't put me to sleep. I'll just be so annoyed. I'll be shaking my fist at the screen. Stop being stupid! You know, deep down, I don't want to hurt. I don't want to hurt these people. I just want to find a way to hit them over the head with a crowbar until they get smarter and more empathic.
Duke smile. Said, "Nah, that train has left Trumpistan years ago."
Yeah, yeah. Problem is, you can't hit people till they get smarter and more compassionate. It just does not work that way. The beatings will continue until morale improves. That doesn't work, and neither does the beatings will continue until compassion improves.
Duke smile. Said, "Yeah, usually just creates resistance, and unfortunately you only need roughile 25% of the population to suppress the other 75%.
Mm. Yeah, yeah. Woo, excuse me. I just want to sit back and play video games, but I don't really have any video games. I mean, I have a lot of video games downloaded here. I'm just not sure. They're just not ones I want to stream. Because many of them, I'm not sure how legal they are.
Duke smile. Said, "You can do auto battler when I uploaded the new iteration, laughing face."
Oh, I can do that, yeah.
Duke smile.
Have you uploaded the
Said,
new version yet?
"But
Or,
TBF Tear are great games for brain dead playing."
I always enjoy playing City of Heroes when I'm feeling brain dead. Specifically, the mastermind
Duke
class.
smile.
I point and let the
No, it's still
pets
not cooked
do all
enough.
the work.
Duke smile. Said.
I do nothing,
Need
the
to tie
pets
down
do
the
all the
loose
work.
ends.
Ah, yeah. I didn't see any loose ends, but of course
Duke
I
smile.
don't know what the
Said.
game looks like in your
Don't
mind.
put out a half-baked version.
Right. Makes sense. That's why I'm probably not going to update the game on my game on itch.io either, because I don't have anything really new to show. There's a lot of new code under the hood,
Duke
but there's
smile.
nothing
Said.
really
There are a
working
lot,
different.
including the missing escape function.
That was, whew. Oh, excuse me. That one's pretty important. I do have to admit, the ability to exit the game is pretty important.
Duke smile. Said. Also, the current version has level up with distant abilities to choose from, way more balancing knobs and dials.
Oh, cool. Yeah, it sounds like there's you've adding a lot of cool stuffs. I'm gonna keep an eye on that game. Just to really give it a try. My brain has been so
Duke smile.
occupied with stuff
Said.
constantly.
I just came up with a fun but broken idea.
Those are always fun.
Duke smile. Said. https://i.imager.com/dukesu.png.
Fun but broken is well, honestly, fun. Ooh. Attack increases attack speed by 15%, increases attack damage by 15%, and adds a row of additional units. That's a pretty big upgrade. Stop it, me. Stop it.
Duke smile. Said. Also transforms 15 units to 20. Duke smile.
Yeah.
Said. In this case.
That sounds like, yeah, it's a big power up.
Duke smile. Said. And abilities are supposed to stack when upgrading, so a militia with that ability upgraded to the next best unit with even more abilities creates unique upgrade paths.
Hmm. Huh.
Duke smile. Said. Because certain abilities are limited for lower versions, so if you directly build higher units you ISS out on those abilities but get their feet power faster.
Hmm. I'd say it sounds complicated, but it sounds exactly the right level of complicated. Sounds like the kind of complicated that I enjoy playing and
Duke smile.
messing with.
Said. Also, I like making proverb into abilities in For Hearth and Home seemed fun for a unit called Militia.
Yeah, but now what are you going to give the peasants? By the way, there's a rule that you do have to include at least one Monty Python reference. in there, but you can save that for the nobles. Like, I didn't vote for you. Like that. You don't vote for
Duke smiled,
kings.
said, just a flesh wound is planned.
Oh, that makes sense.
Duke smiled, said, indeed.
Not going to attempt I'm not going to attempt to do a British accent because I'm too tired. There's a level of tired I need to burst into a terrible British accent, and I think I'm a little past it. Can't be not tired, but can't be too tired. Because if I'm not tired enough, then I feel a little self-conscious. If I'm too tired...
Planned abilities, https://i.imager.com/6cv53gm.png.
Man, I forgot what I was saying. Let's look at for Hearth and Home. Drilled, shielded, trained soldier, thick level armor, duelist.
Duke smile, said, shows also how you can stack abilities when willing to play greedy using weaker units, leveling them up instead of directly boosting to higher level units.
So duelist, veteran for Friar, veteran traveler, true believer, drilled, weathered, belligerent mind, thrust. Yeah. Ooh, cleave-based AoE. The animations, thinking back
Duke
on, do
smiled,
remind me of something.
Basila roosting through the first enemy, hitting the onces behind. Duke smiled.
Right, I remember what it reminds me of.
Corridor cleaving.
Hang on, let me pull that up there. Corridor cleaving, yeah. Can't always tell. I can hear the text to speech to know people are saying things, but I can't always understand what it's trying to say because it has its own creative pronunciations for things. Corridor cleaving. No. That is wrong text to speech. Very wrong. Oh, I leaned back and closed my eyes to think for a second, and I literally started drifting off. I immediately pictured several bears laying on the ground, hibernating. Which would have been cute if it wasn't for the fact they were laying in on the floor of the behind of the boss's room in Borderlands 4. Not the boss, the boss of the Christmas area. What the heck's his name? Mercenary Day boss before. His name is Minister Screw. Right, that guy. His bedroom. I pictured the bears laying on the floor of that bedroom. And that's an unusual sign. Very, very odd. Whoa. Mm. Yeah, I don't think I can quite focus here. Let's see, choose a square at random.
Duke smile. Said. BTW Monty Python based abilities will be, bring out your dead, necromancer, it's just a flesh wound, none shall pass, royal guard, my brain hurts. Undead.
Huh. My brain hurts. Good choice. A little more, I'm now having flashbacks to, I'm now having flashbacks to the day camp I used to go to. The first year I was there, specifically something called Song and Sign, where everyone would make a little sign on poster board, just paint up a little crappy sign with the name of the bunk and all the kids' names on it, and what the bunk was that year, and this connects eventually. My first year there, they had signs hanging from the previous year, and one of the bunks were the Gumbies. I, I told you this would connect. At the time, I had no idea who the Gumbies were. I saw Gumby and thought, Gumby, the Art Clokey cartoon character who's a big wad of gray clay. I don't want to call it claymation because that's Will Vinton's trademark term, and Will Vinton does awesome claymation. And Gumby is not awesome
Bluebird
animation.
songster. Said. Green.
Green.
Duke smile. Said. Was that from the Monty Python show?
The Gumbies? Yeah, they're the guys who say my brain hurts. My brain hurts. Kind of like that, except the accent's better. The funny part, what really made me remember it is that I couldn't quite read the sign because they're not weren't written very clearly, and I wasn't sure if it said my brain hurts or my drain hurts. Uh, Either one's pretty funny. Or when you said was that from the Monty Python show, are you referring to Green?
Duke smile. Said. I didn't knew they were called the Gumbies.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see. There we go. Notable Gumbies. Yeah, there.
Great Uncle Pixel.
Said. https://montypython.fandom.com/wiki/gumbice
Fandom Gumbies.
said,
Oh yes.
I meant that Gumby, the clay character, is green.
No,
Duke
yeah, I
smiled.
guess he is green, but
Said.
he's
Also another proverb I plan realize Inga's ability will be tough like nails.
for the blacksmith character, of course, right? Or at least that should be at least a guy with a hammer who has a tough like nails. For a tough as nails ability. And they should also have a big attack called when all you have is a hammer. Or if I had a hammer. I'd hammer in the morning.
Duke smile.
I'd hammer in the
Said.
evening.
Will be for the
All
orc
over
losers.
your skull. Ah, yes, that makes sense. Bruiser's a good name for,
Duke smile. Said. So far I haven't planned need with a smith unit, but an apothecary.
Oh, an apothecary, yeah.
Duke smile. Said.
Here's a
But I'm still not
Potion.
settled on all units.
have a potion.
Duke smile. Said. That's why it's an alpha, taking suggestions, laughing face.
The flagon with the dragon has the brew that is true. I forget how that.
Duke smile. Said. Yet it's herbalist-apothecary alchemist.
The flagon with the dragon. The pellet with the poisons in the flagon with the dragon. The vessel with the pestle has the brew that is true. It's amazing all the things, the random quotes that are from even before my time. I will cheerfully talk about stuff that happened 50 years ago and then go off on a tangent about stuff that happened way before 50 years ago that I only heard about less than 50 years ago. About half of the childhood cartoons I grew up on were 10 years older than it. Were already a decade old by the time I first saw them.
Duke smile. Said. I think current time 4S already has enough to go on for multiple lifetimes.
The current... Oh. I realized I totally had forgotten what I said. That's a bad sign. I am right. I was talking about things that I watched with before things that are older than me. I mean, watching stuff older than you is good. It helps. I love it when I'm watching something. I love when I'm watching something and something really old, and suddenly a reference in some other show I watched clicks, and I go, "That's what it's referring to." I especially got a lot of that with old Looney Tunes, because a lot of jokes in old Looney Tunes are referring to even older stuff.
Duke smile. Said. Yet.
That's always fun when I have that moment of, oh right, I see. That's funny.
Duke smile. Said. But the effect was much cooler before the internet, when you couldn't look up anything in a moment.
Yeah, that's true. And you just had to stumble across it and go, oh, 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 oh.
Duke's smile. Said. Exactly.
It's fun. Uh,
Duke's smile.
yeah.
Said. BTW, if you have ideas / suggestions for the auto battler, let me know. My slate's still too empty. Laughing face.
I mean, I'm not quite sure what all the classes do right now. Anyway, I didn't get a good look at all the advanced classes either. Their names or their. I think the only issue I really had was those
Smile.
big shielded guys.
Said. It's basically lines.
Yeah, yeah. I think the only problem I had is those big shielded guys
Duke's smile.
because I wanted them to stay in front.
So Archer - Warband Archer - Royal Archer.
I wanted them to stay in front of the squishier guys, but they were too slow, so they kept falling behind, and the squishier guys got themselves slaughtered first. Although I guess that's part of the strategy, putting the slow guys further ahead.
Damage and armor types, much like Warcraft 3. Also, the units have different unit speeds.
Yeah, I guess I'd have to put the slower but better armored guys way in front of the faster but less armored guys to make sure that the shielded guys get to the enemy first.
Duke's smile. Said. Yeah, waving enemies, slow put further ahead but also risk enemy countering it with cavalry and so on. It's a strategy after all.
Yeah, and then back them up with archers, and then back them up with infantry and other ground troops, melee ground troops. I like strategy games, honestly.
Said. Exactly.
Yeah, I like auto battlers where all I have to decide is where to put the people and what they can do and how to make best use of their abilities. Then I just sit back and watch them go to town. Pull out my little my little uh, fan club banner and cheer them on.
Duke's smile.
Go, go, go.
I want players to decide if they want to counter enemy troops, double down on own strengths or avoid enemies altogether. Sneaky play. Also give each unit options so no game is the same.
Yeah, I didn't see if there was a thief rogue, ninja,
yes,
scout class
then watch them slug it out.
that tries to go out of its way to avoid conflict and just beeline towards the enemy crystal while the other troops are distracted. That might be a fun kind of piece if you don't have one. I didn't see if you had one. I'll try it again and then see again. Can I? is it on my list of recent anythings here? Can I reopen that? No, 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 no.
Duke's smile.
There it is.
Said.
Auto battery exe.
Thief is not done yet. Is with https://i.imager.com/mndfhk.png. Duke's smile. Said. It will have the ability to blink behind melee units attacking ranged.
Ah. Oh, that's a little loud. Let me turn that down there. Okay. Save. Even watching the title screen's kind of fun. The Great Untitled Project. Also, the guys are all the characters are really cute too. I like that.
Not have a AI enemy yet, sadly.
Hmm.
Duke's smile. Said,
Oh, so both sides have to
once
specifically
all systems are in
choose.
place, I will add solo player mode.
Ah, yeah, offline solo player. That makes sense. All right, I wanted to look at it again. Where
Duke's
is
smile.
the game? There we go.
Said, it's on the list, but I need to settle on systems before implementing a whole AI system.
Huh. Yeah, that's true. You do need to have the game properly finished. There we go.
Duke's smile.
I'll just
Said,
exit that again.
if you give me 15 minutes, I can deploy the new version.
Okay,
Duke's smile.
I will do that.
Said, and upload the new client.
That that is admittedly kind of why I want to add CPU play to Chess Plus, or tentative title. Not only so you can play against a computer, but so you can sit back and watch a computer play against itself. That way, because that's what I like doing. That's why I put in a CPU versus CPU mode and
Duke
find the
smiled.
flag.
Said, oh, that's nice. Duke's smile. Said, to just relax.
Yeah. Just sit back, let the game play itself. I mean, granted, you don't want every game to play itself, but that's an alternate option. Sit back and bet on the outcome. Yeah. I shouldn't. No. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Piece it. Right. Legal moves? Dang. Hang on a second here. Just gonna look at the bottom here. Okay. Finds this. Ah. Pieces. Dot. Board. Position. Oops. Needs a comma. Comma. There we go. Comma, 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 chameleon. You come and go. You come and go. Loving would be if your colors were like my dreams. Red, gold, and green. An empty space in there. Okay. Hang on. Clear. I. Now, just want to check. Yeah, okay. Why did I decide that legal moves include moves with allies, allied enemies in them? What else? If.
Duke Smile said. Updated the server and restarted it. New clients are uploaded to itch.
Nice.
Duke Smile said. But it's still not everything enabled, but some more at least. Laughing face.
Wait. Let's see here. He says legal moves. Gruff.
Duke Smile.
Easier to remove it here.
I just had finished the system so every stats can be changed on the fly and added some AoE and other ability basic physics calculations.
Nice. Oh, that's a cute little thief. Thief Baggins. Let me scroll up and find that itch link again. It's here somewhere. Did I bookmark it? I guess I didn't bookmark it. Where is it? Did I leave it open? No, I didn't. Whoops. What? What just happened? Stop that. Thinks it's so clever. Oh, it erased my chat room? Oh, okay. No, it didn't. Good. Scroll up. Scroll up, scroll up. You piece of garbage. Do, do, do. Okay, it scrolled up too far. Uh, Where's speech chat? Did I close speech chat? Don't tell me I closed. No, 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 no. There it is. Okay, so it's getting on my nerves. It's getting on my nerves. Fine. itch.io. There it is. Simple things are never easy. Things are never simple.
Duke smile. Said. I will be UAI enemy for now. Laughing face.
Huh. Okay, let me re-download. E-download. Extract all. Desktop downloads. Desktop. Whatever. Desk down. Down desk. Rattler. Oh, there's a config test here too. Run anyway.
Duke smile.
Yeah, this is kind of what my brain needed. A little bit of
We'll
just...
be adding a lot of abilities and units the next 2 weeks once the major systems are done.
Yeah, it's important to get the basic stuff done before you put in the fancy stuff. I don't need to tell you that. Your game's already a lot more complicated than mine is, but I like simple 8-bit old style games. This game's
Duke smile.
coming along nicely.
Said. Yeah, exactly. Right now every unit is there to test something effectively.
Yeah, probably want to test stuff like damage versus armor and armor versus damage and... Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Config.txt is just the settings. Oh, interesting.
Duke
Oh,
smile.
that's better.
Said.
The previous version, the
It's not
windowed
that
mode
complicated
didn't work
TBS.
right.
It looks a lot, but it's just a few tens of thousands of lines of code.
Is that all? See what we got there. There we go. I noticed the fancy font is gone. Was that deliberate or... Now all the buttons have plain text in them. And this stuff down here is all plain too.
Duke smiled. Said. Yet I removed it. Was hard to read.
That's fair. So let's give this one a... let's throw this out there.
Duke smiled. Said. Now the shields have to be unlocked for the big shield guy first.
Ah, I see. Yeah, they don't have shields anymore. They do have clubs and pretty good armor. Let's see. Research? Don't have anything to research. Ah, shielded. Wild bash. Oh, nice.
Duke smiled.
Bulky.
Said.
Whoa!
They need a level up to get the shield. Duke smiled. Said. I'm testing the modular units in this version.
Oh no, I closed the window instead of closing the options screen. That was a mistake. Let's try that again. Let's reopen. Sigh.
Duke smiled. Said. Yet it kicked me out, laughing face.
Yeah, sorry about that. I hit the wrong thing.
Duke smiled. Said. Opponent has left the game.
Yeah, I hit the wrong button. So let's try that again. Settings.
Duke smiled. Said.
Play.
Now you good, laughing face.
Find match. Host Duke. Join. Ready. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. I have 2 books. That means I can unlock one of these tier 2 guys if I'm not mistaken. Soldier.
Duke smiled.
Oh, I see. And they need archer.
BTW, I suck at the game. Don't expect me to be smart just because I'm making it.
Fair. Let's see. That guy's 32. That guy's 45. That guy's 32. 65. Looking at run speed. Oh, that's Hearth and Home. Ooh. Okay. Let's hit the right button. Okay, I don't know exactly what I'm doing either, so let's just give this a try. And, I'm winning! I'm winning! I don't know if I'm winning. Oh, I may have won. Just gotta get to the, our friend. Oh, okay. That was my phone making noises. Let's see. Okay. That's just Now to beat up this diamond. Beat it up. Did I win? So, let's see here. Oh, I see. I can't. Can I? Thug. This guy's still tier 1. I see. I see. So let's research a. Oh. Guy's a 5. This guy's a 3.
Why are they called peasant? Is that a reference to something? Duke's smile.
Oh yeah, I think it's peasant
Yeah, it's a
with.
play on the game Knights and Merchants.
Ah.
Duke's smile. Said. Laughing face. Ill Philly. Said. Oh, okay.
Guys, also 3 armor? Okay. What's that star that he has 50 of? Oh, mana. Health. Attack time. Do 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 do.
Duke's smile. Said.
Slow
Also, it's
moving.
a Passant with a hay fork, laughing face.
Okay, I'm getting too distracted here. Research? Let's research that guy. Why not? And, okay. Oh, I see. The slingers are missing now. Oh, but clicking on it brings up a, an
Duke's
empty
smile.
thing.
Said. I'm not in a hurry, it's designed as a second monitor game.
Oh, move. I see. Nice. Can move and sell them. That's good to know. Oh, I see. I only have 10 treasure chests left. Which is probably why I can't move too much. And I guess I won that round. Slice, clang, 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 clang,
Duke's smile.
clang,
Said.
clingety, clingety, clang.
UCNA only MOV 1 unit per round unless it is a new unit, then it has unlimited moves.
Ah,
Duke's smile.
makes sense.
Said. I don't have a display for the move counter yet.
What's this? Move 6 speed 67. Okay. I don't think I'm winning this, but we can see. The heroic music. Whoa. Okay, that was bad. I started falling
Duke
asleep.
said,
I literally
Night
started
walkers ain't
falling
walking.
asleep. While dreaming about these guys fighting each other. I'm winning. I assume there's going to be an animation of the crystal like shattering or something eventually.
Duke smiled,
Let's see.
said, It's a placeholder.
Ah,
Duke smiled, said, I want it to be a castle.
that makes sense. And then crumbling when the walls come crumbling down and the walls come rumbling, tumbling.
Duke smiled, said, Yet. Duke smiled, said, Also there will be 2 towers on each side also in addition to the castle.
Aha. Will you be able to take the towers and get more range, for example?
Duke smiled, said, The towers will be a secondary defense.
Ah. That makes sense. It is a little like a symmetrical tower defense on top of everything else.
Duke smiled, said,
Boing.
So you can place Oyur units in the back, use the tower to your advantage, or play aggressive by lacing in front.
I just enjoy putting these things down. Oops. Did it freeze? Nope, there it goes. Let's go back over here and take a look. Whoop, whoop. Lost. I'm winning! I do think this is a pretty neat game. I'm looking forward to the finished version, honestly. Ooh. I've been wrecked! My winning streak is over.
Duke smiled, said, Yet also, always appreciate ideas and suggestions. Duke smiled, said, The bug button will send a mail to me with feedback.
Hmm.
Bluebird_songster said, That's a cool feature, laughing face.
Yeah, it's good to have a bug.
At Bluebird_songster, yet I really want the feedback badly because I do not want to develop in the wrong direction. Duke smile. Said. Or have people go through the hurdle of some registration thing to report bugs.
Yeah. I don't think I'm winning this one. No, I didn't win that one. No, I didn't win. I didn't win. Didn't lose either, but I didn't win mainly. Problem. I heard a notification.
Duke smile.
A notification to me.
You can upgrade your military with the heart and home ability. Duke smile.
Oh yeah, I could do that.
Said. And watch them grow.
Oop. The left. Oh, wait, no. How do I, which guys have the, these guys. How do I upgrade it? Oh, do I upgrade it by clicking on them? That would make sense.
Duke smile. Said. You select the spawner. Duke smile.
Oh.
Said. Yet. Duke smile. Said. There is level up and upgrade. Duke smile.
Oh, I see.
Said. Also sell and move buttons.
Ah, there we go. Oh, I see, I see. That makes sense. Yeah, I saw the sell and move buttons. See what we got there, what we got there. What do you got? Nothing. Okay. Upgrade. Upgrade. And they don't have anything yet. Huh. They don't have anything yet. Oh, right. These guys I can probably
Duke smile.
give shield. No, I guess I can't
Said.
give them shields.
There is only a handful of abilities yet. Duke smile. Said. Working on them right now. Duke smile. Said. The XP curve is static and some units gain more XP, it's not balanced at all yet.
Okay. It's round 5. Start. Back row thugs sneaking in. Okay. I think visually it gets a little messy once there's a bunch of dead guys. It's hard to it's hard to see the remaining live enemies in a
smiled.
pile of dead bodies.
Said.
Maybe they should fade slightly or something?
Home is super busted. I love it. XD.
Yeah, man, that really upgraded my. Just adding another 5 guys to each of those teams made them a lot more.
Duke smiled.
A lot more.
Said. There is a decay but only for projectiles yet. Duke smiled. Said. We'll put the decay on the list.
Okay, let me take a look at these guys. Okay. We gotta just upgrade it. I don't know what I'm doing. That guy with the spear and the armor. That guy. Okay, round 9, start. Yeah, this is exactly the sort of game I'd like to put on as background noise while I'm drifting off to sleep, because I am drifting off to sleep. What the heck? Ridiculous.
Duke smiled. Said. XD.
Just, whoop. Oop. Okay, I hit escape thinking that would bring up a menu, but just quit it. So I think I'm not going to reopen it because,
Said.
but
Did it crash?
no, I hit
Smile.
escape. I hit escape.
Or did you hit escape?
Yeah,
Duke smiled. Said.
yeah, it's a hard
No,
killer.
it's a hard killer. Duke smiled. Said.
Yeah, I think I'm going to. I think I'm going to call it
Smile.
here. I'll go get myself a little dinner,
Not a
and
good get
then
some
maybe
sleep.
go to bed early tonight. Get up early tomorrow. I got school in the morning. I didn't do my homework yet. Ooh. So I'll do that
Ilford
tonight.
said. Thanks for the stream.
Yeah, thanks for joining. Thanks for showing me your game, Duke Smile. That is pretty neat. I am glad to have seen that. Yeah. I think
Duke
this
smiled.
is going well. I have a path.
Same thanks for testing.
Oh, you're welcome. I think I think it looks good. I think it looks good.
Duke smiled. Said. Glad it's not too bad.
I like the cute graphics too. So I will be back on Wednesday. I don't think I'm doing anything this Wednesday. I have a doctor's appointment next week, but that's next week, and I'm pretty sure it's on Tuesday. So I'll be here on Wednesday. I'll see you then when I'll finish up my preliminary CPU AI routine.
Duke smile. Said. Hope it's routine and nothing serious.
Yeah, I hope so. We'll see. I'm just going to get some tests done, and if it's something that's going to interrupt my stream, I'll report on it. But hopefully it'll be fine. Hopefully it'll be fine. Anyway, I'll be back on Wednesday and with more fun coding stuff. Because, you know, I like coding. That's I'm not gonna lie, I like coding. And I'll see